Hi Vicki, so here is a quick version of the design you sent. Let's take you through a few basic measurements. I've used a 2.3 millimeter vertical piece. There are shorter sizes available, and I've shown a 120 millimeter skirting board there. You can cut these down to size, and as I say, there's 2 meter versions, there's a 2.1 version, and there are shorter versions as well, but the 2.3 is the longest, and that's what I've shown here. I've shown you trouser rack here. Now the 450 millimeter wide bay, the rack for that will only hold 6 pairs of trousers. I don't sell a lot of these. I don't particularly like them. That's just personal thing. I don't think it's particularly efficient with space. What it does allow you to do is it preserves hanging drop, so you can fit 2 shoe racks underneath reasonably comfortably there. The hanging drop on that suit, standard gent suit, is 1.1 meter. I think that shirt is about 900 millimeters. Let's just check. Bear with me. No, 800. So yeah, that's more of a blouse than a gent shirt. This dress here is 1.3 meters. All of this will be shown on the 2D drawing. Ignore that gap there, that won't be there. Right, one other thing I wanted to show you is let's get rid of this Elfa trouser rack. As I say, I'm not a fan. I'm also very opinionated, so just ignore that. If you just use ordinary hangers like this, with a pair of trousers on like so, and you use this Elfa bracket with a rail holder in it, what you do is you preserve the hanging drop above. Now it's still not quite as efficient as the pant rack in terms of height. You can see that's going to interfere with that second row of the second shoe rack there, but you are going to get way more pairs of trousers on a standard hanging rack than you will on an Elfa pant rack. So that's the trade-off there that you've got to consider. If you can risk a smaller hanging drop here, then you could have bigger baskets. That's 3 mediums and 1 small. The other option is, if I can show you that quickly, just waiting for that to so yes, that's the decor version there, but there is a 280 millimeter deep version of that mesh basket as well, which you could just about accommodate. You'd lose a little bit of that hanging drop, perhaps bring that up to about there, something like that. So you've probably lost another 100 millimeters of that hanging drop. Let me know what you think. We can either do a phone call, or we can do a Teams call and share the CAD screen, if that helps. Okay, speak soon.